Hello everybody, I just wanted to take a second and share a few STEM enrichment activities that we can use for each of the themes that we'll have for our kiddos. So I'm just going to do a quick little video and explain a few things that you can do. So we have Dash robots. They work with iPads and the kids can either drive them or code them. We have Ozobots that go with color coding. We have Makey, where the kids can use circuits and create games and just get really innovative. For our younger kiddos, we have these little STEM kits. I recommend these for our first graders. And we also have the little bridge building center for the children. So we have the ping pong catapults challenge. We have those materials on campus, really good for engineering. So for this one is building a barge. This is a great activity to connect math and STEM and, well, really math and engineering. So this is another option. So the water cycle bracelet is a great way to connect science concepts with the water cycle. We have these materials on hand as well. So here is a paper cup parachute. We can use this. And I have a little tunnel for the students to investigate like gravity, science concepts, and it's also, of course, engineering. All right, so children love slime. This is a fluffy slime recipe. This is a great way to incorporate mathematics, science concepts, and just have fun. This is a really fun activity. It's called the needle through a balloon. This helps students relate to how Texas is really big on petroleum. And so here, we'll give you an opportunity to explain some real-world application here in science. Math Fact Jenga. So here's another way for you to incorporate engineering as well as math facts for our kiddos. So this is another idea. We also have an opportunity to allow the kids to create kaleidoscopes. I mean, this is not what it will actually look like, but I do have materials for that. And it also helps for students to reinforce those 2- and 3-dimensional figures, and you can talk to them about symmetry. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up with a few things we have on hand that you can utilize on campus. If you have any questions, I'm going to be here today for our planning session as well as tomorrow and Wednesday. So let's make sure that we're ready to go. And if you guys can just give me a list of things that you know you'll need, and support staff, myself and Mrs. Williams will make sure that you are ready to go for your STEM days. See you soon.